Sri Nansagar coaching classes, Pimpala Baswan. I am Kushale sir. Students, आत्तापर्यंतचे जे काही व्हिडिओज सर्व विषयांचे आपण बघितले आहेत ते नक्कीच सबस्क्राईब करा. टुडे वी डिस्कस very important theorem of the chapter number first, similarity. Now this theorem is that theorem of the areas of similar triangle. Now the statement for this, look at on the board. Theorem: when two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of those triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Means that in any two similar triangle, the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the squares of their corresponding side. So in these two triangles are similar. Here I have to draw triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Both are similar triangles. So that in your given, we write here in given these two triangles are similar. In that triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. And here also this is the height. AD is perpendicular to the segment BC and PS is also perpendicular to QR. This is in your given. Then to prove is that the ratio of areas of those triangles, means that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Means that the corresponding sides of this similar triangle, means that AB square upon PQ square is equals to BC square upon QR square is equals to, third one is AC square upon PR square. We have to prove this ratio of the areas of these corresponding sides square. Okay student, for this it's proved. Now here is in given triangle ABC is similar. Now this ratio of areas is equal to their ratio of the corresponding side square. So students, look at this figure. These two triangles are similar. Means that here is shown here angle B and angle Q is also congruent. And also angle C and angle R is also congruent. This is the perpendicular, means that angle D is 90 degree and this is also perpendicular, means that angle S is also 90 degree. So that for solving this theorem, we use the first property which I have to study in the first point. And the property is that the ratio of areas of two triangles. All of you know that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their base and corresponding heights. By using this property, so that first I have to take here first point, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding height. The base of the first triangle is BC, their corresponding height is AD, and for the second triangle base is QR and the corresponding height is PS. Now this is the equation number first. We write the reason as the ratio of areas of two triangles. Or simply you have to write it is the property first. Let this is equation number first. This is equation number first. I have to take this as one bracket. Equation number first. Means that for these two triangles, when we draw the perpendicular, then there are two sides, either two sides of this height, there are two triangles. I have taken first triangle is that. In triangle ADB. Look at the figure ADB. And second, I have taken second one is PSQ. Now I have to show that these two triangles are similar. How to look at it? Now first one is angle B is congruent with angle Q. This is given. Identical marks. Look at this. Then second, angle ADB is congruent with angle PSQ. PSQ. Because each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Or you have to write also given. Now, then these two triangles are similar by using angle, mean that AAT. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar with triangle PSQ by which test? A similarity test. Suppose that this is equation number 6. Now, if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, I have to take here first is AD upon PS. Then second ratio becomes I have taken AB upon first and last means that PQ. Here we don't take this dB upon SQ because we have to not use this ratio. So I have to write here AD upon PS is equals to AB upon PQ. The reason is that corresponding sides of similar triangle. This is suppose that equation number 2. Now student, in your given these two triangles mean that triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. This is given. Now if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Which sides are in proportion? I have taken here AB upon first to PQ is equals to BC upon QR. Only these two ratio I have taken. Third ratio is not taken here. AC upon PR. Now suppose that this is corresponding sides of similar triangles and our equation number 4. The reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now observe this ratio. AD upon PS is equals to AB upon PQ. Here is AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. Mean that from third and fourth all these ratios are equal. So I have taken therefore AD upon PS is equals to AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. Here is equation number 4 and the reason is that from equation number 5 and reason is that from third and fourth. Okay. Then I have take from the equation number first. I have write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon QR into this AD upon PS I have write here such a way that AD upon PS. It is from first. Okay student. Then from equation number 5 I have to substitute the value of AD upon PS. Is AD upon PQ or BC upon QR? But for this example I have to substitute the value of AD of PS is equals to BC upon QR. Because we want to prove here square of the corresponding sides. So I have to substitute the values is BC upon QR into BC upon QR. The reason is that from equation number 5. Then when we take its product, then we get that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC into BC is BC square that, our last point is that therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to the squares of their corresponding sides. Mean that AB square upon PQ square is equals to BC square upon QR square is equals to AC square upon PR square, and hence it is true. This is our very important theorem. The name of the theorem is that theorem of areas of similar triangle. Can you understand this? Thank you. Okay students, we start practice set 1.4, which is based upon the theorem of areas of two similar triangles. The first question is the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 3:5. Then find their ratio of their areas. Now for this solution, let the ratio of let the corresponding sides, let the corresponding sides of two similar triangles B S1 and S2, also their corresponding areas B A1 and A2 respectively. So that in your given S1 as to S2 is equals to the ratio of their corresponding sides is 3:5. We have to find out the ratio of their areas. Mean that A1 as to A2 is equals to question mark. Student, already in this example there are two similar triangles. So that we take these similar triangles also. Now from this ratio of the corresponding sides I have write S1 upon S2 is equals to 3/5. Let this is equation number first. Now here two triangles are similar. Here two triangles are similar. Therefore, by using this theorem of areas of similar triangle, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the squares of their corresponding sides. Mean that these two triangles having ratio, mean that area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to the squares of the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Mean that S1 square upon S2 square. The reason is that by using theorem of areas of two similar triangles. Or also you have to write theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay. Now then I will write this one is A1 upon A2 is equals to in 4 bracket S1 upon S2 bracket square, because it is square of each side. I have to write this one. Then we substitute the value of S1 upon S2 from the equation number first is 3 as to 5 in that 3/5. Therefore A1 upon A2 is equals to 3/5 bracket square. Here is reason from equation first. Then the squaring of this bracket is A1 upon A2 is equals to 3 square is 9/25. We cannot simplify this 9/25. So that our answer is A1 as to A2 is equals to 9 as to 25. Answer in full sentence. Therefore, A1 as to A2 is equals to 9 as to 25. This is our question number first. So simple. Okay. Now the second question. In triangle ABC, similar with triangle PQR, and AB as to PQ is 2 as to 3, then fill in the blanks. This question can be asked in your examination for 1 marks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB square upon this box is equals to 2 square upon 3 square is equals to 2 box are given here. Now its solution is that, student, in your given AB as to PQ is equals to how much? 2 as to 3. Mean that AB upon PQ is equals to 2 upon 3. Now we have to find out this ratio. Mean that therefore I will write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to this AB square upon this is our box is equals to 2 square upon 3 square is equals to the ratio of these two boxes. Okay, now here these two triangles are similar, so that their corresponding sides are also in proportion. Means two triangles are if similar, then their ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the squares of their corresponding sides. So here one side square is given, so corresponding remaining side is AB then PQ, mean that PQ square. Then here is 2 square and 3 square is already given. Then square of these two is 4 and 3 square is 9. This is our answer. Can you understand this? Okay. Okay student, question number 3. If triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC is equals to 80, area of triangle PQR is 125, then fill in the blanks. Ratio of areas of these two triangles is equals to given here 80 upon 125. Then we have to find out the fill in the blanks. AB upon PQ is equals to how much? Now for this, its solution. When you observe here, these two triangles are similar here. ABC is similar with triangle PQR. This is given. We know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. By using this theorem, I will write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to their corresponding side square. Here is given here AB and PQ. So I have taken the corresponding side is AB square upon PQ square. The reason is that by using the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now this ratio is given here. We have to substitute this. Therefore this value becomes 80 upon 125 is equals to AB square upon PQ square. Okay, then by using this, if you have to simplify this 80 upon 125 by 5, we get that 5 2s are 10, carries 2, becomes 25, then 5 then in numerator 5 1s are 5, 3 carry becomes 30, 5 6 means that we get the ratio is 16 upon 25 is equals to AB square upon PQ square. When you observe both sides, here is the square, we can find out the square root of this 16 and 25 also. Therefore by taking the square root, we get that 4 upon 5 is equals to AB upon PQ. Here I will write the reason by taking square root. Square root of both sides. Okay. Now, then AB upon PQ is equals to 4 upon 5. Therefore, the answer in full sentence is that answer. The ratio of this one means that AB upon PQ is equals to how much? 4 upon 5. So that this is our answer. So I have to take it as a box. Therefore, the AB upon PQ is equals to how much?